Yeah, there's something. I'm just going to see if the steps are all right. Huh. It's got some like gnarly machines up here, man, but I don't know if I trust the floor.
Oh, it's well cool.
Yeah.
Like press or something.
Yeah, I think it is of some sort.
Instead of sweet.
They creak a bit, man. You'll see what I mean when you put your foot on it.
If it's holding these things, it's going to hold us. Bugger me.
Yeah, unless they're like on metal supports underneath. I wonder if there's any eggs left in it. You've seen all these cogs and chains and stuff on the side. Yeah, there's a brush. There's a
Rolling thing.
A rolling thing.
That will turn.
We don't know what any of this stuff is, do we?
That will turn, which will turn that on.
Yeah, something turns something, and all of these cogs and stuff here and pulleys, they have something to do with it as well, guys. There's a little motor attached to it here, and the electrics goes up here to the galvanised steel trunking above it. Yeah. There's something up there that says, what's that say? H40 bazooka, which might be a crane or a lifting apparatus of something, I don't know. Right, let's take our chances with this horrible floor, guys. This is horrible. It's bouncing under my feet. Yeah, I'm just like not looking forward to having that crunch. You know? Yeah. So guys, yeah, this is pretty much. Let's have a look. Yeah, guys, this is a look inside of them here. They're all kind of like uniform, pretty much the same. It's kind of like a shopping trolley base with a flap on the top. And they're like that all the way along here, guys, all the way along. Both sides, up and down, all the aisles are exactly the same here, guys. So, we're guessing that the eggs roll somewhere, but we're not sure where and how. Anyway, guys, we're getting to the end here. There seems to be different troughs at this end. What have we got here? Yeah. So yeah, guys, there we go. That's one view of it, I guess you could say. And then if I squeeze behind this machine here, pop out the other side. There's another look down the next one. And as you can see, guys, to go all the way along to the end. This is quite far. I'd say this is probably about 80 foot long, roughly. There you go, look. Some more rollers here, guys. Some springs. You know, some more motors. Each one's got its own motor. Whoa, nearly fell down the fucking hole. I'm not even joking, man. There's a huge hole and I was literally about to tread on it. And I've just seen how these planks are held in. It's not good. No. I mean, there's a reason why they're bendy. They're held on by about 1.25 inches at either end, and the rest of it, you're down to luck. They're really bendy. So guys, I'm not going to keep going this way, guys. I mean, I thought we were sketchy to begin with anyway. I'm going to slowly make my way back this way and hope that I don't randomly just plummet down 12 foot. It's not great. Everything's kind of rattling and moving. It is not good in the hood. In fact, it's fucking horrible, guys. Apologies for walking so slowly, but I don't really want to fall down. Oh, that was close. Literally, my next foot, my next space that I was going to walk in front of me, yeah, massive hole. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it. If I didn't have the torch on me, I'd have fallen down there and sweating in here. It's really hot, guys. Trying to pick up the pace, but at the same time be careful. If you lift up that plank there, lift it up, and there.
Yeah,
Lift it up.
I can see how bad it is already. And beat it as well.
Yeah, yeah. Look. That's what it's held on, just those side bits.
Jesus.
And obviously these are the shorter planks, yeah. So these ones are a bit more stable. But when you look at the wider ones, there's a bigger gap basically. Yeah, it's not safe, guys. I mean, I wasn't happy with those stairs, to be honest.
It's not safe, Brian.
Uh-huh.
Like creaking stairs. You walk up rotten stairs and skip it, so you
Right, anyway, guys, we're going to get down these stairs now. I mean, not being funny, they creaked when I was on, they're creaking again. I don't like it. I know they're made of wood, but
They put it down solid.
let's go down.
They put it down solid.
Right, well, we made our way out of that one nice and safe, hopefully. We're back into another barn area at the moment. Might as well see what else is this way since we're already on this side. Not much really, actually. There we go. So that's the way we came pretty much. We came from this way, guys. Individual pens all the way along there, marked 1 to 6, I think it was. Corrugated, what do you say that is? Asbestos, you reckon? Yeah, I think the ceiling's asbestos and the walls are like tin, or like, actually no, they're asbestos as well, and they've been replaced by tin. Yeah. Alright, let's have a look, see what's next. I mean, hopefully, something a little bit. It's alright, torch is down. Into the next one, guys. Right. What is inside here? Another mega hole. They love a hole here. What's down there?
Yeah, I know a good old one.
Drops down. Is there a ladder? There's no ladder. Can you see anything down here though? Yeah, might be some steps. Yeah. What do you reckon this was for? Horses, this bit? I mean, the windows are quite high. And over there, there's a bricked up entrance. Top and bottom there. Yeah, yeah.
What the hell does that hold there?
I don't know. We have to get on the outside of the building and have a look, I guess. Like, this just goes to what, outside, does it? Or yeah.
Yeah, this is a pen area.
Oh, look, it's got something written on here. Look, ewes and lambs.
Ah, there you go.
So
Sheep as well. I thought it was a poultry farm.
yeah, maybe we were wrong. Maybe they did both at some point.
Well, oh, yeah.
211, 234, 236, 238, 243, 248, 252 on that side.
This could be the slaughterhouse.
It might be, you know.
This could be
What do you reckon? They killed him in there and then dropped him down the hole?
possibly.
Bit sinister, but like,
Sounds like it.
it doesn't really smell like death though, does it?
Lambs, sheep and lambs are a poultry. Oh, poultry's chicken.
Yeah. But I mean, why else would you have a bloody great big hole in the floor?
Very strange.
Do you reckon there was like once a machine here? Look, there's a big old dark spot here. Yeah, and then maybe the lambs were like, bah, or whatever, and they come along and then they just, I don't know, killed them somehow and just kicked them down the hole. Like, I don't know. I mean, I'm not really too familiar. I've never killed a lamb before. doorbell or something up here, guys. What is that? Oh no, that's heating, I think, there, guys.
This is maybe lambs losses.
Oh yeah. Used lambs, used lambs, used lambs.
Okay, so it wasn't poultry.
Oh, okay.
2000, oh,
Lambs.
2008.
Fuck.
That was that.
There's some more boards on the wall.
We take a guess at 2008 on this one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Another ball there. Top up milk.
This one is exactly what it is.
Feed ovicle.
This will tell us exactly what it is. Yeah.
Top
So,
ovicle.
yeah, but that doesn't explain the chicken thing, though.
No.
Doesn't put lambs and that thing, right?
Maybe it's just a farm. Like, maybe it did everything.
It is.
Oh, so we've got more. I'm going to go with farm then, like, definitely. Or maybe the animal would like come to the outside of it and stick its head through it and eat something this side, maybe. Yeah.
Okay, this is quite interesting.
Hey, look, if you look above it, look, there's one for giraffes as well.
See? That's all one bloody out.
Is there?
Boards, mate.
Big old building though, this one. Yeah. What's all this on the ceiling up here? Got like copper pipe. Maybe that's for the lighting actually. Like, yeah. You got broken bulbs or something there. There's another building there. Have we done that one yet? Maybe these ones here. There's got big blue garage doors on this one.
Yeah, we got one directly across diagonally there.
Well, let's have a look at this one first. Right, so in here, oh, there's a big water thing. That's cool. I like that. That's cool. Because the dial's on it as well. Yeah. It's pretty mad.
Oh, yeah. It goes down. You go down?
No, it's like a grill at the bottom, I think, for any excess, maybe.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty mad. I like that.
Big like option.
What's got in this one? Oh yeah, grain or something.
This is more like sheep pen or pig pen. Yeah, look, these gated options.
What's that noise? That noise.
Oh, it's been doing something to it.
What was it?
Is it one of them things round there? Oh, I don't know. It's been there for a while. It's rattling. Some sort of sheep pen. These are pens.
There's something there, definitely.
Huh?
There's definitely something there. Yeah, there is.
Put it pigeons, right? Oh yeah, it's a little cubby. This is pigs. Yeah.
Yeah. Pigsty. Oh, the next one looks fucked. Yeah. It's not really worth going to the other one. The roof's kind of folded in, the back's fallen in. It doesn't look too exciting. Let's take a look in one of these guys, just shits and giggles. That's grim. That's where our friend Mr. Piggy stays before he gets turned into bacon. Lovely.
Bit of bacon.
A bit of bacon.
Got a bit of bacon.
Right, so there we go. We've just come in through this door. We're not entirely sure what's through here. I think possibly toilets or something. Got a blue room here.
The windows and the curtain, there's definitely not toilets.
Oh, they're nice, aren't they?
The old school windows.
Yeah.
Very cool windows.
There's one of them down there. Lovely in gold.
That was a kitchen there. This is a kitchen.
Oh, cool.
That's the boiler. No, this is a kitchen. Oh wow, that's an old school sink. Wow. There's a butler sink.
They're worth quite a lot of money, those
Is that a
things.
butler sink?
I think that's what they call them. Like, they're fully ceramic, aren't they?
Yeah. A bench in this one.
What is in this one?
No, like a changing room.
It's only clothes in it.
Yeah.
It's got a door like my, it's actually got the same door as my bathroom. Random. It's exactly the same door, the same lock and the same shaped handle on it.
Yeah, very old school.
You reckon Bakelite guys?
It might be, you know.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bakelite.
Cool. Love the old doors.
Oh, cool. Got a little table in this one. Not much on it though.
Oh, is that a shower?
What the fuck is that?
Oh, the
No,
cupboard.
coat room, like cupboard.
Oh, cupboard.
Right, and then
Oh, okay, we come back at this side.
yeah. Is that pretty much it? Is it?
Oh,
Oh, oh, oh. It's a bit close, isn't it? Yeah. Maybe we should go back the way we came to get out.
Thank you for watching. Please press the circle to subscribe, and why not check out one of our other videos.